Want to start fishing in LEGO Fortnite? First, you'll need a fishing rod. Build a crafting bench if you haven't already. You'll need a bunch of wood. Go to the bench and scroll down, and boom, you'll see the fishing rod recipe. To craft it, you'll need 2 cord, 1 wooden rod, 1 wood, and 1 claw. Cord comes from vines. Now just hit craft, and you've got yourself a fishing rod. Head to any water, aim at a fish, and press interact to cast your line. Fishing's not just chill, it's the best way to get food and rare items early. Now you're hooked up and ready to fish like a pro in LEGO Fortnite. Follow me for more quick LEGO Fortnite tips. See you in the next one.